By next year, 2013, a lot of the steam produced at Nanaimo's Harmac Pacific pulp mill won't simply just dissipate into the atmosphere. Following it another energy upgrade, the mill will start capturing that steam to produce hydroelectricity.
It's a really big thing for our company. We're putting in a 25 megawatt power generator, and basically what we've done is we've entered into an agreement with BC Hydro. It's a 15-year agreement where we'll be selling power back onto the grid.
The company is making a $45 million investment in the power generating facility.
The company, we didn't enter into that lightly. Our board of directors thought it was time that we do a project like this, and we're going ahead. But the main thing for this company is it gives us another revenue stream. And the pulp market is such a cyclical industry of such wild swings up and downs, and so in the lows of the market, it's going to really allow us to have a stable revenue stream that doesn't fluctuate. We don't get into the numbers just because we are a private company, but you can understand if we're willing to invest $45 million into a project, it has to have a return. And it's over a 15-year term.
Along with BC Hydro's commitment to purchase the power, Nanaimo Forest Products received a $27 million infusion from the federal government's Pulp and Paper Green Transformation Program. The investment supports energy efficiency and renewable energy production technologies, which set Harmac Pacific on the path to this newest venture.
A significant amount of upgrades to the mill have taken place in the last couple of years. So the Green Transformation Program funding helped us through that. All kinds of energy savings projects. So we upgraded our pulp machines, we upgraded some of our bleach washing, and all of those upgrades effectively take process steam out of the system and allow us to put it towards condensing so we can make power.
Construction is just getting underway, starting with upgrades to the pulp mill's hog fuel handling system and the boiler.
It's going to take 18 months to install and get up and running, and in that time we're going to create 85 full-time jobs for the 18 months. So that's pretty significant to this area, and we're happy to have people getting back to work. That work is going to consist of trade workers, construction, engineering, and technical work as well.
We're going to be demolishing a section of our maintenance shops and installing in that location a new turbo generator. So that's the most significant portion is actually the equipment itself. So we're using most of our infrastructure that's existing, so boilers, all our existing pumping systems for water supply and whatnot. All the electricity will be generated from hog fuel, which is going to be going through our existing number 9 power boiler. It goes through our hog presses to dry the fuel, and we go ahead and burn it, and then that steam generated goes through the new condensing turbine. It's condensed and then goes back into the grid. By
the end of the project, we're looking at generating enough power to power 17,000 homes. So it's a significant amount of power that we're selling back to the grid.
It's great, it's something we've all kind of been excited about from day one, and we've been working on it for over 2 years now. It's a long process to get a project like this off the ground, all the, go through all the steps of approval. And so we're excited to be able to finally do something that is going to create a legacy for both Forest Products and, in a way, Nanaimo as well.
Under its integrated power offer, BC Hydro has now signed contracts with 5 pulp mills in the province for enough renewable clean energy to supply 92,000 homes. In Nanaimo, for Shaw TV, I'm Annette Lucas.